defended Kenya. The Luo nation has fought for Kenya. The Luo nation has died for Kenya. You look at Jaramogi, you look at Raila, you look at Tom Mboya, you look at Awings Kothek. We don't want the Luo nation to lose the dream. Raila told us, when I die, don't sell my land. I am asking Oburu, after Raila dies 2 days, why are you selling Raila's land? Where are the children going to go? Are we together? Harambee! 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 Ruto must! And I'm safe for the guys who saved me. Thank you so much. God bless you. And let me say this, Babu, Nyasago Sesenia, Agwaka Mabuta, Obekieni, Obomotomuya, Aye Njugaiga, Aye Mwano Yosifuna, Nyasaba Sesenie, Mokine, Mosarale, Ayomo Akorengo, Njugaiga, Orenda Banaba, Orenda Banaba, Nabantaba Monsipi, Nyasaba Sesenie.